Looking for an alternative for character AI NSFW filter? Get ready to explore alternative that lets you enjoy NSFW AI chats without any restrictions. Introducing CrushON.AI, your ultimate destination for NSFW AI chats, a far superior character AI filter alternative with absolutely no boundaries. Get along as I'm going to show you how to use CrushON.AI and how it can transform your AI chat experiences. Before we begin, let me give you an overview of what CrushON.AI is. CrushON.AI lets you have all kinds of conversations without any restrictions. You can talk to chatbots that act like AI girlfriends, AI boyfriends, anime characters, and more. It's the perfect choice if you want to have really immersive and free-flowing chats. Here's what makes CrushON.AI stand out. 1. No limits. You can talk about anything you want on CrushON.AI, even things that are usually not allowed on other platforms. 2. Many different AI characters. There are lots of chatbots you can choose from. You can even customize them to make the chats feel unique each time. Whether you want to talk to an AI girlfriend or an anime character, CrushON.AI has a bunch of options. 3. Easy to use. The CrushON.AI website is easy to understand, so you can talk to the AI characters without any problems. Now let's start on your CrushON.AI journey. Starting your journey with CrushON.AI is a piece of cake. Just follow these steps. Visit the official CrushON.AI website. Click on Sign In, located at the top right corner. Log in using your Google, Discord, or email account. Return to the homepage and select a character to chat with. Type your message and hit send. Overall, CrushON.AI is a platform that values user freedom, creativity, and engagement. It offers a more authentic connection with AI chatbots and users who appreciate the opportunity to engage in unrestricted conversations. Don't miss out on the chance to be part of this exciting revolution in unfiltered AI chat experiences. Give CrushON.AI a try and discover a new way of interacting with AI characters. Thank you for watching.